everyone, this is Maria, and today I have another fun toy unboxing or toy unpackaging, and these are Thomas and Friends, Thomas the Train minis. I purchased these at the 99-cent only store for, you got it, 99 cents for each blind bag. And so inside each of these bags it says contains one engine, and they're for ages 3 and older. They're made by Fisher-Price. Up here it says 2017/1, so I'm wondering if this is series 1, maybe made in 2017. Not sure. It looks like there's a mystery locomotive in here. And so let's go ahead and open these. I have 12 of them, and let's see if they can just tear open from the top. Okay, that's not going to work. So I have my scissors, so I'm going to move my fingers to the bottom end of the package. And here we go. And let's see what we have inside. Oh, there's a collector's guide. So that's good. We like our collector's guide. They're fun to look at. Okay, and let's see what we have. The first one. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It looks like it's got all these little stars and a moon. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This one is called Nighttime Emily. Look at the moon and all of the stars just all the way around. Just beautiful. So the collector guide shows there are 12 different ones to collect. So let's open another. And let's see what this one is. We have our collector's guide. Oh, we have another one. Isn't this cute? I love it. I don't mind having doubles at all. So let's see what's inside of this one. It's a collector's guide. Oh, look at this. This is really cool. Let's see who this is. So this one is Construction Millie. Look at this. I love the detail. They're so tiny and all of the wonderful details. And so this is Construction Millie. So all aboard, we're on a roll. And so let's see. Oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh. Let's see, this one is Space Spencer. Look at that. It looks very space agey, doesn't it? Really nice. Very nice. So here we go. And there's the collector's guide. And let's see what we have. Oh, look at this one. Oh, wow. I really like this too. So this one is Classic Salty. Classic Salty. Isn't that neat? There's a collector's guide. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Who is this? This one is called Cheetah Hero. Cheetah Hero. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It has the pattern of a cheetah. This is so cool. So here we go. And this one is, oh, look at this one. This is a really pretty green one. And so this one is Classic Percy. Look at this pretty green. Isn't this nice? So these are really super cute. I really like these. And so let's see. We have another collector's guide. And this one is, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this one is called Invisible Henry. This one is so beautiful. Look at this. Invisible Henry. I just love this. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. And then we have another one. Here we go. This one is, oh my gosh, we got this one again. So this one is Classic Victor, and he does look very classic, doesn't he? I say he looks classy. So we have 4 left to open. So let's see what's in this one. There's our collector's guide. Here we go. Wow, look at this one. Oh my gosh. And so let me see which one this is. So this one is Classic Stanley. He is so cool. So we're down to 3 more. And so here's our collector's guide. And let's see who we have. Oh my gosh, we haven't gotten this one. So this one is Classic Duck. Isn't he neat looking? I love that color of green. Just really, really cool. These are so much fun. Let's see what's in this one. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is very neat. So this one is called Classic Bertie, B-E-R-T-I-E. And so, oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cool. I just really like these a whole lot. This is our very last one, so I want to show you the package again. I just really love the packaging. I really love all of this. And so let's go ahead and open this one and take out the collector's guide. So here we go. Oh, look at this. We have another one. So it looks like Classic Bertie has a twin. So I'm really happy because we did collect all of them here, except just one right here. This is Classic James. And so I may go back to the store and see if I could find him. And then I noticed that all of these categories right here, like Classic, Animals, and Space and Nighttime. So that makes it a lot of fun too. And look at this, you can connect all of these engines and they roll. Aren't these neat? I really, really like these. So here is my honest opinion, what I really think about these Thomas & Friends minis. Oh my gosh, I think these are way over the top for 99 cents a package at the 99-cent store. And so I love the variety, I love the detail on all of them. I love that you can hook them together and they actually move. And so I give these Thomas & Friends minis 2 thumbs up. Yay! They are so cool. So in the comments below, let me know if you collect these. And also in the comments below, let me know if you have a favorite or if you like all of them. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.